Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how you can set a password on your Windows 11, 10 and so on. So it's quite easy. So let's start. Just open your start menu or just search here in a search bar settings. Open your settings and then you have to, there are several options. You have to click on accounts and then you have several options again. You have to click on sign in options, and then there are several ways to apply encryption password on your Windows, right? I will choose I can choose facial, I can choose fingerprints, security, password, picture password. I will click on password because I want to apply password, and I will click on add. Now I will choose my password. For example, I will say yeah. This is a hint, right? And I will click on next, finish. Now you can see that my password is set. If I go log out or shut down my system, if I start again my system, you will see the password on my system. But for example, in future, if you want to change password, if you want to remove, you have to apply the same step. Just open the settings and then you will have to click on accounts, and then you have to click on sign in options, and then you have to come here password and click on change password. Write your current password here and click on next. And if you want to change password, just write your new password. Otherwise, just click on blank, leave it blank and click on next and finish. Now you can see that your password is removed. So in this video, I explain how you can add password on your Windows step by step. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.